And immediately I feel my diaphragm about to make a run for it. So I just blurt out, "Your baby be looking like a total asshat."
Okay.
And she goes, "What?" And that is when I decide to double down with "Ain't no black in this rainbow boo."
And we are back in 3, 2, 1.
And we are back, talking to Ball.
Glek.
Hi, Ball, and thank you for being here.
I am here.
That is a ball, and it is definitely here.
Okay.
So, question. Are the guests supposed to eat the whole chair before they leave?
What? No. Why? What?
Okay, just checking.
Perhaps the little yellow ball is hungry.
Okay. So, Ball, before the break, you said something that made me curious.
Glek.
That you have never heard of water.
Literally does not make any sense to me when you say that word.
What? Water.
Definitely makes no sense whatsoever.
Can you please stop doing that?
Let me ask you this. Can you make a jacket out of water?
What? No, I
Just
mean
saying
no.
whatever this water is, it's definitely not jacket material.
Water. It's definitely not jacket material.